most importantly for a lot of Nigerians, they want to know, is it possible to dislodge President Bola Tinubu in 2027?
Oh, sure. Oh, sure. I said it on some of my media outlets. I said, as Mr. President in 2015, that's President Jonathan, picked that phone, rose to the moral occasion with high moral clarity and placed that call to, late General Buhari, who became President Buhari. I lost, you won. Congratulations, incoming Mr. President. But Bola Tinubu should have that moral clarity to pick that phone call in 2027 and call whoever is on the other side. I lost and you won. Whether it is the former President Jonathan, whether it is P2B or even Sheyi Makinde. When he does that, my understanding too is that the logic of power as we have it in Nigeria is that this president and his team panicked. That is why we're discussing politics of 2027 succession. It's not because you and I want to do it. It is compelling. Because they were doing rallies across the north, endorsing him. They had stimulated the standard pressure for people to start decamping all over the place. Even one rally in the northeast, they removed the name of the vice president from among those they were to endorse. So there's no room for governance anymore or policy implementation. It is now a grim existential struggle to survive to 2027. But the picture is pretty horrible for the nation in terms of economy and security. And the president will run for a second term, not on any grand promise of doing something, but on the grand promise that I have done very well in the last 4 years. Give me another opportunity, I'm going to do well in the next 4. So he will run on his own record. Why the other ones run on the record that this record is hopeless, that we have a better vision for the country. But when they look at the record of the last 8 years under Buhari and the last 2 9+ under Bola Tinubu, there's nothing to run on.